Hello everyone, my name is Larry Poltavtsev. I'm a co-founder of Learnix Center. What we want to talk about is our training course, and this broadcast is our live broadcast, and it's going to be about 10-15 minutes. At the end of the broadcast we are going to answer questions that we receive from the audience. Do I need any previous experience to attend a course at Learnix? People asking this all the time, and no, you don't need any previous experience. And the reason for that is that well, when you are transition from non-IT to IT, software testing and quality assurance is probably the only opportunity for you where you can transition without previous experience, and you don't need to have any coding skills. The course is for 3 months, and we study 2 times a week. And how can you join the course? Well, the best way to join the course is to contact us directly, either via the website and fill out the form, or via the Instagram, via email. And what we are going to do is that we are going to schedule a free class and a free presentation for you. Absolutely no obligation. We provide our own books and materials. So basically, you can come and see everything, talk to existing students, instructors, ask about the curriculum, and then you can make a decision. This is how our course is structured. We have an academic portion that is presented by the IT trainer who has over 25 years of experience. And we also have a group of IT managers, people who really work during the day as IT managers. This is actually the big difference of our course from any other courses, is that we have real IT people who during the day work somewhere for the big IT organizations, and in the evening they come back from work and they bring real life projects to our students, so that our students can they can execute those projects, and they would be able to gain hands-on experience. Aside from the IT management team and the academic instructor, we also have a team of professional recruiters. And those recruiters, again, during the day, they work as recruiters for IT companies, and they are interviewing people, they're screening people, they're sourcing people. So in the evening, they come to you to help you to design a resume, market your resume. They rehearse play, doing mock interviews with you. They simulate in-person interview, telephone interview. So again, we are trying to create an environment for our students where everything emulates and simulates the environment in the office. Do we have online classes, or do you need to be in the classroom all the time? Well, yes, you need to be in the classroom, and we have lots of homework. The reason why we don't have online classes is that we are dealing with people who are transitioning from non-IT to IT. This is their first time when they experience IT world, and they require a lot of personalized attention. So our groups are small, less than 10 people. So the instructors are really capable to sit down with everyone and explain the material and train them and guide them through the process. Will we find the job after the course? Would you help us to find the job? Well, yes. Like I said, we do have a team of recruiters, and they are helping our students to get the jobs right away. A lot of our students actually receive job offers even before the class ends. So we have lots of referrals and opportunities for internship and every other business opportunities that you might have. Do we provide post-graduation support? Absolutely, we do. The thing is that we allow every student to repeat the course absolutely free of charge if they want to do so. And actually, once the person gets the job, we always follow up with them, and they follow up with us, and they come back to our office and they ask questions and they ask for help with their existing projects and everything, and we always help them to stay in the job and be successful. So basically, another question: is the software testing in demand in the United States? Well, yes, it is. As a matter of fact, on our website, we provided a link to a sociological research that was performed by Forbes magazine. And researchers at Forbes, they found out that software testing is #1, the most happiest job in the United States. So it's the happiest job in the United States, and it's very much in demand. And there is a reason why, because the computer science, the science demands that there should be at least 1 to 2 testers per each programmer, coder on the team. So if you have 5 developers on the team who are writing code, then you might have 7 to 10 software testers on the team. So obviously those jobs are in demand. The problem is that when our potential students are going on popular job boards such as Monster, Dice, or whatever, and well, they are restricting themselves to the job titles and not the job duties. And the job titles for software testing, they vary. Many companies have different names for the job titles. It could be QA analyst, QA tester, software analyst, software tester, SQA, just SQA, software quality assurance abbreviation, and that's it. So, and the beginner in this occupation should expect between $60,000 to $70,000 per year salary, depending on the geographical area where you live and everything else. And so basically that's what it is. And for the beginners, our course includes manual testing and foundations of the automation testing. And we also have advanced courses both for our students and for other people. The average salary that our students are getting is about $65K. The highest salary that we've seen so far was $73K. That was for a student in Washington, D.C. area. So another good question that I've got is that do I need to bring my computer for training? Yes, you do. The thing is that every IT professional is expected to have a computer, and actually it makes it very comfortable for a person, because during the course you need to set up an environment on your computer, and you can train at home, because like I said, we do have homework. I would like to thank everyone who watched this broadcast today, and thank you so much for your questions. We won't be able to answer all the questions right now. So we'll see you next Saturday at 2 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.